Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome for the first time. This is a very quick little tutorial. I am not an expert trainer, but it's going to show you how to add a link to your item shop or the items you have for sale within your eBay description. And the links that we're going to use and the URLs that we're going to use are all contained within the eBay server. So it's all within eBay's policy and guidelines. So grab a pen and paper or notepad open and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is find out how we get those user links for the picture and for the shop URL. So let's go. What you can see here on the screen is this is mine. I have gone to my shop, and you may start on this screen selling various ones. Quickest way to get there, click on your username and you will see at the top this is the link to your homepage, your store, your shop. We need to press Ctrl C on there, go to Notepad, and I've put a little link there. Press Ctrl V and we have the URL to the shop. We will need that later in the HTML. Now we will go back to the shop front, and this is what we're looking for. Now if you right click on that, you may not see this pop up, but there is an option that says open image in new tab. It will generate a new tab, and this is the link that we need to copy. So this is the link to your user profile picture, your user ID, your user shop ID. And again, Control C, go back to Notepad, and where I've said image to shop, press Control V, and we have the two links that we need to put into our HTML code below here. You'll see this is the original HTML code that you would have got from the description. This is the one that I'm going to edit, and the reason why I've done this is that if I make a mistake here, I can actually go back to the original and copy it and don't have to go back and find it. So what we need to do is copy the link to the image, press Ctrl C, and inside this text you will see there it says img src equals open quotes, close quotes. We need to put that link, and it needs to be inside those quotes. So that will display your icon, your logo, your image, your picture. Then need to go back up to the top and copy the link to my shop, Control C, and this needs to be changed in two places. One is the href here, again inside the quotes. Put your store in there, and again down here you will see put it in again. Now this area of text here, you can put whatever you want in. I have just put something funny in that says click here to explore more listings and laugh at what's left of marketplace logic. You could put please find more listings in my shop, click here to go to my shop. I have lots more available here. Once we have got that, we've got everything we need. We can now go back to eBay. We can go to a live listing. I will just pick one at random. This is live. This is my personal account. I'm going to pick this foam flip-flop keyring. I'm going to revise this listing. I'm going to scroll down to the description, and I'm going to tick this little square that says show HTML code. We need to get the cursor here, and then it is back to Notepad. What we've done before, this is the one that we've edited. We highlight it all from the bracket there to the bracket there. We Control C it. We go back to the description, Control V, and we have put that in place. Now if we untick the show HTML code, you will see in the listing we have our logo, our image, and we have that text that we discussed. If I then come down to the bottom and click Save, you'll see the listing has been revised. And if we click View Listing, as we scroll down, you will see now as part of the description, we have the shop store icon logo and the text there. And if anyone clicks either on the picture or the text, it will take them to all the items you have for sale. And that's it. Now this is the HTML text zoomed in to full screen. What you will notice is the text highlighted in green is the one or the parts of the text that need to be replaced by the link to your shop and the link to the image that you want to display. The text highlighted in red is freeform text. You can put whatever you want in those areas. So for instance, the first one is visit my eBay store. You can personalize that to whatever you'd wish that to be. And the bottom one is a tagline that will be displayed below and also be the link to your store. You can therefore put in whatever you want with regards to check out these other items. This is also available, and however you wish to personalize it. If you'd like any further explanation on any of these bits or like me to go over anything again, please drop a comment below. If you would like to subscribe, hit the like button, share with other people, then that would be very much appreciated. The next video I'm going to do is how to put in a you might also like or have a look at these items, or the item that's for sale here is often brought with these items, and it will allow very much like a self-sponsorship of 3 of your own items directly within your store without having to pay those promotion fees. Thank you all. Stay tuned for further updates. Hit that subscribe button.